Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch, a very easy stitch, especially for those of you that you like to work with front post, back post. It's very easy and it's quite thick. You can do a blanket, a sweater, a scarf, many things you can do with this stitch. Okay, this stitch you can chain any numbers of chain you like to chain. Depends what you like to do. You can chain even, odd number, it doesn't matter. So what we're gonna do, I have here I think 12, so we're gonna skip the 12 chains. We're gonna skip the first 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the third chain, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go into that third chain and we're gonna do a double crochet. So from now on until we finish this row, in each chain we're gonna place a double crochet. So move to the next chain and do a double crochet, next chain, double crochet, and so on until you finish this row. It's a very easy, relaxing stitch, but it's gonna eat some yarn, this one. Well, a double crochet takes a lot. If I move too fast, you have the option to slow down the speed of the video and you'll see what I'm doing a little bit slower. So last chain, double crochet, we're gonna chain 2. You're always gonna chain 2 at the end with this stitch. So now this chain 2 counts as a double crochet. Yeah, so we're gonna move to the next double crochet, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna do, in this double crochet, we're gonna do a front post double crochet. Yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the next double crochet and we're gonna do a back post double crochet. Next double crochet, it's front post. So we're gonna alternate this row, front post, back post. So the next double crochet is gonna be a back post, yarn over the hook. The next double crochet, it's front post. So yarn over the hook, next stitch it's back post, next double crochet it's front post, and so on until we finish this row. Next it's back post, the next well, you're gonna be left with 1 double crochet and the chain 2 that we skipped in the beginning. So in this last double crochet here, we're gonna do a front post, okay, yarn over the hook, and in this chain 2 space we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do like a back post, chain 2, turn your work, and now it's gonna look like this. Yarn over the hook, the next post here, this chain 2, like I said, it's gonna count as a double crochet in the beginning. So this we're gonna do a back post double crochet, because if you look at the post, this is back, front, back, front, back, front, and so on. So we're gonna do exactly how it looks. This one, it's a back post, so we're gonna do a back post double crochet. Then the next one, it's the front post, so we're gonna do a front post, the next one, it's back post, so we're gonna do a back post. Well, be generous when you pull these loops with front post and back post. You have to be generous when you pull the loops, otherwise it's gonna curl like this. So the next one, it's front post. The next one is back post. Move to the next, it's front post, double crochet. And the next one, it's back post. The next one is front post, and so on. So the last post and the chain 2 we have here, so we're gonna do a back post. And in the chain 2 you're gonna do a double crochet, chain 2, turn your work, it's looking like this. So now, yarn over the hook, we have the first post here, we have the front post. So one row you're gonna alternate, one row you're gonna start here with back post, one row you're gonna start with front post. So we're gonna go in there and do a front post. The next one, it's back post. And you're gonna alternate like this. Move to the next, it's front post right here. The next one, the back post, it's always kind of tucked in the back. So we're gonna do a back post. And then the next one is front post. Back post, and so on. It's a very easy. Only the only changes that happens it's here in the beginning and at the end. So the next is front post. And the next it's back post. And now we have the last post and the chain 2 here. So we're gonna do here a front post. And in that chain 2 space, I'm gonna do like a, you come from behind and you do a back post, or it's just a double crochet. So you're gonna chain 2, you're gonna turn your work, it's gonna look like this. I think if you like to make a blanket, or you work like the sleeves, or even at the neckline, you can do the like this, the, you know, this stitch. So then you see the last row we started with front post. Now we have the back post, this one here. So you're gonna just yarn over the hook, go back in there and do the back post. And the next is the front post. The next is the back post, and so on. Yeah, it's a very easy stitch, and especially for you guys that you know, some of you are intimidated by this front post, back post. You have to practice, and you can do so many nice things with back post or whatever stitches that, you know, you have to put the front or back post. So just give it a try. Front post. And the last one in here is the back post and the chain 2. So we're gonna do a back post into that. And then in the chain 2 you're gonna do like a double crochet, because it's supposed to be a front post, but you know, well, you don't have a post, you have just the chain 2 in there. So this is it. This is the stitch. Well, I hope you give it a try, especially those of you that you don't feel like doing this front and back post. It's really easy, and it's reversible, the stitch, so you can do so many things with this. You can make your first blanket. Yeah, it looks like this. And you know, the edges are okay, so you can attach a blanket, or you can leave it like this because it looks okay the way it is. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.